All right, this is how to do speech therapy homework. And I have Grace. She's going to help me out today. All right, so we have our speech homework, a bunch of S words that we're working on. And for each word that you say, Grace, you're going to earn a chocolate chip. But I don't want you to eat them until you've gotten all of them, okay? You understand? All right, perfect. All right, so let's look at the first one. The first one says see.
See.
Good, you say it.
See.
Perfect. Next one.
Sun.
Sun. You say it.
Sun.
Good. I like how you smiled when you said it. Good. Okay, I'm going to say it first and then you say it. Soup.
Soup.
Perfect. What's this one say? Soap. Again.
Soap.
Good. All right, let's try in a little phrase. Let's say, we need sap.
We need sap.
Perfect. Open your sack.
Open your sack.
Excellent. I love how you smiled when you did that. He's a seal.
Seal. He's a seal.
Good. I like how you're keeping your tongue back too. That's good. I want to surf.
I want to surf.
Awesome. Go for a sail.
Go for a sail.
Nice. I like how you looked at me too. That was perfect. Okay, last one. Ready? What does that say? Oh, it's a sign.
It's a sign.
Yay! Perfect. All right, so she did all of her words. You may eat your chocolate chips now. Way to go. And that's all you have to do. A couple minutes every day, right, Grace?
Yep.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.